Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon hair in Dragon Ball Azure. First, you'll need to launch the game and navigate to the character customization area. This is where you can modify your avatar's appearance, including their hairstyle and color. We'll focus on selecting the right spiky base and then applying a specific reddish-brown hue to achieve that iconic look. It's an easy process once you know the steps. Now that you're in the customization menu, head over to the hairstyle section. You'll want to browse through the available options for something distinctly spiky or with an upward swept appearance. Think about the classic Super Saiyan look, but perhaps a bit more textured. Choose a style that provides a good foundation for the bacon effect, as the shape is crucial before we add color. With your spiky hair chosen, it's time to give it that signature bacon color. Navigate to the hair color options. You'll want to find a reddish-brown or a deep, dark orange. Experiment with the color slider to get the perfect shade, aiming for something that resembles cooked bacon. Pay attention to the saturation and brightness to ensure it looks rich and vibrant on your character. Once you've applied the color, take a moment to rotate your character and view their new bacon hair from every angle. Make any final adjustments to the style or color if needed. When you're completely satisfied, confirm your choices and save your character's updated appearance. You've successfully created a unique look. For more great tips and deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.